Okay, we are in Kinemaster again, and this time I will show you how to edit a video by taking or extracting the sound from the original video and you don't like the sound on it, and then you want to put a nice background on it that people will just like to watch it because they like hearing the background. Everybody likes music. It makes a big difference when you have a video and you have some kind of a background on it. So what we do is we choose. I have already an album. Be sure you have a lot of album there, and I arranged already an album only for my tutorial. So it's a Kinemaster tutorial album. I click on it and I have videos there, and now I will just choose this one. And you only click the videos that you want. Just be sure that you know which one will go first and which one will go last. So I have that one and that one. There you go. And you have now all those videos. Click the X to leave that page. Okay, now we are already here, and now we will be starting to do our editing. First, we have to listen what is the sound of this video. So if you are uploading this kind of video, if I am the one viewing it and all I hear, I mean the view is so beautiful and all these things, but all I hear is the sound of this motorboat. It's just kind of not really nice, you know. So what will you do with it? Okay, you want to take out totally this sound because you don't like it. So what you do, you just tap the video, and now you see a border, a yellow border on that video. It means that is the video that we want to edit. So what you go is you just click the mixer there, and there you see all of this. Don't do too much. You can just do here. This is the control button for the sound of the video. And what you want is you want to totally extract the sound. You want to take it out. So put it, instead of 100%, put it down into 0%. So we will listen again what we hear here. So if we will play, so that is totally silent. Oh, that was so easy, right? So the next thing you want to do is you want to put a background music that you like, a background music that you will not have a problem later on for being to get a copyright strike from YouTube. So what you do is you take music from this app Kinemaster. It provides a lot of music. You only have to choose. I will make a video also about it, how to download some of their music. I have already downloaded some music here, and all I do is just click or tap the audio. When you tap the audio, then you will see all the music that you downloaded. But this is only downloaded within the Kinemaster app, because this music or songs, you will never have a copyright issue with this. So if you see, it's a lot of music there, not a lot, but you know, you choose some. Okay, I will choose the summer vacation because this is actually summer vacation. If you click that one, and you feel that, oh yes, I like the music. I like that background because it fits in this video. So what you do, you just click or tap the plus sign. When you tap the plus sign, then you will see that there is already the summer vacation, color green. That is your background music. And to see or to listen to it, we will leave this page by clicking the X and listen to it. Isn't it better that you hear a background music in that beautiful view, beautiful sea? But wait, maybe you will think like, isn't it nicer if like you will hear a little bit of the sound, the natural sound of the motorboat, or maybe it's the sound of the nature, the sound of the water, the sound of the rain, and you want to retain it. Well, it's not a problem. All you do is tap again on the video. So when you tap again on the video, you see that it's yellow on the border again. So what you will do is you go again to the mixer. So every time which one you will tap, which part, you will see a border, a color in the border. So now you will see there, yes, that we had already taken it out, and in fact, it's now 0%. So what you will do, we can put it on, we can try on 20%, okay? And we'll see and listen again how it sounds. So isn't it good that you hear the sound of the motorboat, and at the same time you have the background music, right? But wait, maybe you will think like, no, I want the background music lower than the sound of the motorboat. Okay, you can also try it. Why not? Go to the mixer again and click again on that. That is already clicked because you have the yellow background. And go to the mixer, and then we go and put it again on 100%. Okay? So our video sound, the sound of the boat, is already 100%. Now we will put our summer vacation, because this time we will try to emphasize the sound of the motorboat or the original sound of the video. And this I'm talking about maybe if you're making a nature, a nature video or a waterfall, and you want to emphasize the sound of the original sound of the video, not the background. But this time we will try it. So now we tap already our background music. We go again to the mixer. So now we are on the mixer. So what we do is we lower the sound of the mixer into, the sound of the background music. We lower it, so it should be lower than the other one, 35, whatever. So we go back again and listen again. You don't almost hear the sound of the music. We go back again and go to the mixer again. We do it 71 or 62. No, we do it like 78. So it's like this. It's like a trial and error. If I am the viewer, I really prefer that I hear more of the beautiful background music rather than that irritating sound of the motorboat. So what we will do is we go back again, do the original sound of the video, which is the motorboat sound. I don't like to hear it, a lot of it. So I will just put, the motorboat, motorboat sound, I will just put it into like, where is it, like 25%, and then I'd rather have my background music louder, so I will put back my background music into 100% again. So now I have the sound of the original sound of the video, which is the sound of the motorboat that is a little bit irritating. Now I have it lower, and then I will focus and emphasize the sound of my background music. So we listen to this. Is much better. So this is an important tips that I will give you, and this is how I do it with my videos. This is how I make it. When you have a sound like this of the original video, maybe it's the sound of people shouting in the park, or maybe it's the sound of copyright music, that will totally, if it's a copyright music, you totally have to erase it. You totally have to take it out, put it in 0. But if it's a sound of the nature, or if it's an irritating sound like a motorboat, then please do not have the sound of the motorboat dominates the sound of the whole video. Have the background music always higher than it, okay? And there is another thing I know some people will think about, is that they will think like, okay, what about if I have my voiceover? That I will take up and teach you and do the tutorial. If after this tutorial, that will be my next tutorial. So subscribe now, and I'm sure I can really be a big help, especially if you are just a beginner and you've never used the app. And I will assure you, I will do my tutorials in a very simple way and very easy to follow. Thank you for watching.